Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin Zcash. Zcash over the last 1 week is up 63%. The last 1 month has seen Zcash rally up by more than 113%. In this video, we'll look at Zcash performance against the US dollar. Zcash has rallied past the $328 level. That was the crucial level we talked about. We have seen Zcash now start facing resistance above the $544 level. Can Zcash get to $986? How high can we go? We'll look at Zcash performance against the US dollar. We'll look at Zcash performance against Bitcoin. It's currently outperforming Bitcoin. We'll also look at Zcash performance against Ethereum. Then we'll look at Zcash market cap, which right now sits around the $9 billion region. Zcash market cap has been rising as the price has been rising. What's next for Zcash? As sentiment is improving right now in the cryptocurrency market. Is this the best time to still be accumulating more? All coin season updates. We'll talk about that and more in this video. Let's get down to business. Generally, in the last 1 week, we have seen all coins pumping to higher prices. Zcash has joined in the fund. Ton is up 119%. Undo is up 29%. VVV is up 42%. Luna Classic is up 29%. Dash is up 53%. And Zcash is among the leaders, up 64.5%. Good time returning slowly to the cryptocurrency market. In the previous Zcash update, we talked about key levels to watch out for Zcash over the next few days and the next few weeks, and those key levels are turning to be very, very pivotal. We talked about Zcash finding support around the $201 level. We saw Zcash getting rejected there way back in 2022 before we dumped Goblin Town and eventually blast past the $200 level. So $200 level is proving to be important. We found support there, and that level where we thought we might find some resistance came in around the $328 level. We saw Zcash topping there in 2021, and we saw Zcash getting rejected there sometimes in April of 2018. And right now, that turned to be a very crucial support as we continue to higher prices. The next key level Zcash is facing right now is the $544 level. We have seen Zcash rally to that key price point. We have seen Zcash even blast past $544 in the last 24 hours. Zcash traded for as high as $589. But right now, that's the crucial level we need to blast through. We saw Zcash getting rejected there in December of 2025. We had to dump to Goblin Town after getting rejected at the $544 level. We saw Zcash losing around 63% of its value. This time around, we're pumping to higher values. The next key level for Zcash will be around the $1,000 level from where we're currently trading right now. What will require Zcash to get there will require Zcash pumping by another 78%, which is very, very possible. These all coins pump aggressively, and most of the biggest pumps come at the final phases of the rally. Zcash right now, from where it found the bottom around $200, is up by more than 194%, which is good to see because we saw Zcash trading for as high as $719. That was way back in November of 2025. Throughout Zcash price history, we just have a few times where Zcash has traded above $700. We have when Zcash was launched, that was way back in 2016, it traded above the $700 level. We saw Zcash getting to as high as $981 in December of 2017. Since then, Zcash has dumped to Goblin Town, struggled to rally towards $800 or $900. The next few weeks is going to be very, very crucial. The next few weeks are going to see big moves in the cryptocurrency market. Zcash currently trading around $544, has a market cap of $9.07 billion. A fully diluted market cap sitting at $11.43 billion. Zcash all-time high came in on 29th of October 2016, and that was almost 8 years ago. Zcash traded for as high as $5,941. You want to get some Zcash for yourself, guys? You can get Zcash on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on OKX, on BitGet, on KuCoin, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get Zcash right there. Zcash is pumping. Zcash is decentralized cryptocurrency focused on privacy and anonymity. It uses the ZK zk-SNARK zero knowledge proof technology that allows nodes on the network to verify transactions without revealing any sensitive information about those transactions. Now, Zcash is currently outperforming the US dollar. Zcash is also outperforming the king of the market, Bitcoin. Now, historically, all coins are known to dump gobbling town against Bitcoin. If you look at Zcash price history against Bitcoin, it's been a trip down to gobbling town, but we finally found the support since August of 2025. Zcash has been outperforming Bitcoin. Zcash since August of 2025 is up by more than 2,200% against Bitcoin. Yes, in the nearest future, we'll see Zcash dump to goblin time against Bitcoin, but right now it's up only. Right now, we might see Zcash set new highs over the last few years against Bitcoin. Just about a year ago, we saw Zcash having a crazy rally where it outperformed crazily. We saw Zcash going from where it was trading in August of 2025 to where the rally stops for Zcash in November of 2025, a 2,800% move to the upside against Bitcoin in 91 days. Right now, we can set new highs, but you have to be very, very careful, guys. Yes, we can set new highs, but then there might be a bearish divergence. Bearish divergence occurs when we see Zcash performance against Bitcoin setting new highs without the indicators, the RSI setting new highs. That will be a bearish signal, but that will be a telltale sign of when the rally is coming to an end. Right now, Zcash is still outperforming Bitcoin, and rightfully so. If you look at Zcash performance against Ethereum, also is currently trading where it was trading way back in November of 2024 of 2025. Zcash is also currently outperforming Ethereum. Zcash has been one of the best performing altcoins in the cryptocurrency market over the last 12 months. We have seen Zcash go from where it was trading in June of 2024 to where it's trading right now, which means Zcash has outperformed Ethereum by more than 4,000% over the last 700 days. That's crazy if you have to ask me. But remember, guys, before the pump always comes the dump. We have seen Zcash dump to Goblin Town. Right now, it's time for Zcash to have his own time in the sun, and that's why we're currently seeing it outperforming both Bitcoin and Ethereum. When the market gets bullish, market participants start flipping their altcoins into Bitcoin, start flipping their altcoins into Ethereum. That's why anytime you start seeing bullish market action, you want to focus on the altcoin market because that's where most of the gains will be made. That's where a lot of investors will go and FOMO in because they miss the bottom. If you look at Zcash market cap is at the $9 billion level, which is very, very critical. I've talked about the $9 billion level in the past. The next key level where we need Zcash market cap to rally past is going to be the $11.75 billion region, which can happen. Most of these altcoins produce most of their gains at the final hurdle. I will not be shocked to see Zcash market cap pumping, trading at new all-time highs before the end of the week, maybe before the end of the month. But one thing is sure, good times is slowly returning back to the cryptocurrency market. Zcash is blasting past crucial resistance level we talked about right now. Just one more level for Zcash to get to new for Zcash to start targeting new all-time highs, and that's around the $1,000 region. Sentiment is slowly improving in the cryptocurrency market. Right now, sentiment is neutral. Yesterday, market was fearful. Last month, there was extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. I expect to see the sentiment continue improving. I expect to see Zcash continue enjoying the party till we eventually see the sentiment index, the fear and greed index start reading greed and hopefully extreme greed. I believe in the next 30 days, we're going to see a small version of an altcoin month or maybe an altcoin season. We're going to see altcoins outperforming Bitcoin. We're already seeing the telltale signs of that. The last 1 month already, I've seen altcoins outperforming Bitcoin out to some perspective. Bitcoin is up 17% the last 1 month. Ethereum is up 10%. You can clearly see a lot of altcoins in the cryptocurrency market have outperformed both Bitcoin and Ethereum. More altcoins to continue outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum. Zcash is also one of the leaders. Your thoughts in the comment section, guys. Are you still accumulating Zcash? Do you still believe a $1,000 Zcash is possible? Zcash trades around $543. Are you going to be holding your stash towards $1,000, $2,000, maybe new all-time highs? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investments in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.